Hi everyone. Ever wondered how your phone knows exactly where you touch the screen? Or how a game keeps track of time while you play? Today, we aren't just making a game, we are mastering event driven programming and conditional logic. We'll learn how to use global variables for scoring, randomization for movement, and comparison operators to trigger a game over state. By the end of this, you'll understand the core mechanics used in almost every professional mobile app. Let's dive into the blocks.
First, go to the MIT App Inventor website and then click on the Create Apps button. Then click on Continue. Next, click on New Project button to create a new project called Catch the Cake. Now, from the Layout menu, add a vertical arrangement and set its height and width to fill parent. Next, add a horizontal arrangement from the layout and place it above the vertical arrangement. Then, set its align horizontal and align vertical to center. Then set its height to 10% and width to fill parent. Change the background color to a bright blue. Now, add 4 labels to this panel. For the first label, select Label from the left sidebar and drag and drop it on the horizontal arrangement. Then tick Font Bold. Set its font size to 20. Text as Score. And set text color as white. Now for the second label, from the left sidebar select Label. Drag and drop it beside the Score label. Then in the right sidebar set text as 0. Text color as white. Font size as 20. And tick Font Bold. Then, for the third label, from the left sidebar select Label. And drag and drop it beside the label 0. Then in right sidebar, tick Font Bold. Set font size to 20. Text as Timer. And set the text color to white. Then for the fourth label, again from the left sidebar, select Label. And drag and drop it beside the Timer label. Now, in the right sidebar, set text color as white. And text as 10. Tick Font Bold. And then set font size to 20. Next, in the left sidebar, under the Drawing and Animation, select Canvas. And drag and drop on the vertical arrangement. Now, in the right sidebar, set its height and width as fill parent. Now, select Image Sprite and drag and drop it on the canvas. Now, in the right sidebar, set X as 0 and Y as 0. Then upload the image by clicking on the picture. Then set its height and width as 75 pixels. Now, in the left sidebar, under Sensors, select Clock and drag and drop on the mobile twice, that is Clock 1 and Clock 2. Next, switch to Block by clicking on the Block button at the top right corner. Then, in the left sidebar, search Clock 1 and select when Clock 1 timer due. Then, in the left sidebar, search Image Sprite and select Call Image Sprite 1 move to. Next, in the left sidebar, search Math and select Random Integer from 1 to 100 and attach it to X. Now, set its value as 0 to 250. Then, copy and paste that random integer and attach it to Y. Now, in the left sidebar, search for Image Sprite and select when Image Sprite 1 touch. Then in the left sidebar, search for Label 2 and select Set Label to .text 2. Now, place it beside Do. Then, in the left sidebar, search for Math and select Addition Condition. Then place it beside 2. Now, in the left sidebar, search for Label 2 and select Label to .text. Then, place it as one of the value for addition condition. And in left sidebar search Math and select 0. Now, place it as another value for addition and set it as 10. Then, in the left sidebar, search Clock 2. Now, select when Clock 2 timer due. Next, search for Label 4 and select Set Label 4 text 2. Then, in the left sidebar search for Label 4. Now, select Label 4 text. In the left sidebar, search for Math and select Subtract Condition. And place it in beside Set Label 4 text 2. Place Label 4 text as one value for Subtract Condition. And for other value, search for Math in left sidebar, select 0. Then set it as 1. Then, in the left sidebar, search for Control, select If Then Condition. Now, in left sidebar, go to Math, select Equal Condition. Place it beside If Then. Now, copy Label 4 text. Place it as one value for equal. For other value, copy 1 from Subtract Condition and paste it as other value for equal condition. Then, switch for Designer View. In the left sidebar, select Notifier, drag and drop it on vertical arrangement. Then, switch to Block. In the left sidebar, search for Notifier. Select Call Notifier 1 Show Message dialog. Now, place it beside Then Condition. In the left sidebar, search Text and select Join. Now, place it beside Message. Then in left sidebar, search Text. Select Empty Box. Place it as one value for Join. Write your score is Then, in left sidebar, search label 2. Select label to dot text. Place it as another value for joint. Now, in the left sidebar, search text and select empty text. Place it beside title. Now in the empty text, write game over. Then, again in the left sidebar, search for text. Select empty text. Place it beside button text. Then, in the empty text, write restart game. Next, in left sidebar, search label 2. Select set label to dot text 2. Place it below the call notifier 1. Then in left sidebar, search math. Select 0. Place it beside set label to dot text 2. Then, from the left sidebar, search label 4. Select set label 4 dot text 2. In the left sidebar, search math. Select 0. Place it beside set label 4 dot text 2. Change the value to 60. Then, click on Connect and select AI Companion. Next, scan the QR code from your mobile to see the output.
Real-time inputs and automated timers. Remember, the name of the game is Catch the Cake. But the skills you practiced, like managing data with labels and controlling flow with if-then statements, are the foundation of all software development. Try challenging yourself. Can you change the logic so the cake moves faster as the score gets higher? Keep coding, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next lesson.